Hello YouTube and friends, this is Bob in Missouri, and here's my baby ducks. This is the first time getting in the water. They're starting to get their white feathers. And I figured they might like to play in the water. I don't know if it's too early for them or not. I'm working on making a chicken coop. I've been watching a lot of videos, and I gotta make a duck house. So anyway, I hadn't made a video in a while. I hope you guys enjoy. They're starting to play in the water a little bit. Turn the water off. Oh yeah. There you go. Quack, quack, quack. Yeah, yeah. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Swim, swim, swim. Yeah, go swimming. Yeah. Get your head all wet. Yeah. Get your head all wet. Yeah. What? What? Yeah. Quack, 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 quack. Anyway, I'll catch you all later. God bless.